If you've ever dreamed of earning money while lounging in your pajamas or exploring the world, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're diving into 7 of the laziest ways to make money online. No more toiling away at a 9-to-5 job or stressing over student loans. These methods are so simple that you might feel a little guilty until you see the cash rolling in. Let's get started. 1. Proofreading with Chat GPT. First up is proofreading. Before you roll your eyes and click away, hear me out. You don't even have to proofread anything yourself. That's right, you can use a free AI tool like Chat GPT to do all the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. Sign up on a freelancing website like guru.com and offer your services as a proofreader. When you receive a text to proofread, simply copy and paste it into Chat GPT, let it work its magic, and then send the corrected text back to your client. People are making between $15 and $100 an hour doing this. Imagine relaxing on your couch, binge-watching your favorite series while ChatGPT handles all the tedious proofreading tasks. You get paid, and your clients receive perfect text. It's a win-win. You can even offer additional services like editing or formatting, boosting your rates and income all while staying cozy in your favorite spot. 2. Transcribing with AI tools. If you love listening to podcasts or speeches, this next method is perfect for you. Transcribing audio can earn you anywhere from 30 cents to $1 per minute on websites like rev.com, but of course, we're taking the lazy route. Sign up on rev.com, get audio files to transcribe, upload them to an AI tool, and let it convert them into text. Submit the text back to rev.com and get paid. Imagine making up to $120 just by letting AI do the work while you enjoy your favorite podcast. It's so laid back that you can do it from the comfort of your bed, and you don't even need to understand the audio. It's like getting paid to listen to music, except the music is people talking, and you don't even have to listen. 3. Faceless YouTube channels. This method is a favorite among many lazy moneymakers. Creating faceless YouTube channels can generate significant passive income. Here's how. Use AI to generate video scripts, create human-like voiceovers, and combine these elements with visuals from an editing platform. Upload the finished product to YouTube and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With consistent uploads, you can earn money even while you sleep. Some people are making thousands from videos they posted years ago. Once your videos are up, they keep attracting views and revenue without any extra effort. It's like planting a money tree. You do the initial work and then sit back and watch the cash grow. 4. Selling AI-generated art. If you love art but don't want to create it yourself, this is for you. Platforms like Wirestock allow you to sell photos, videos, and AI-generated art. Use AI tools to create stunning images, upload them, and participate in challenges for a chance to win cash prizes. You can earn money from art you didn't create. Just press a few buttons and let AI handle the rest. You get to feel like an artist without any of the hard work. Remember to upload your creations to multiple stock photo websites to increase your chances of making sales. 5. High-ticket YouTube automation. Regular YouTube automation is excellent, but high-ticket YouTube automation. Here's where the real money is. Focus on a niche with high CPM, like finance or technology, and sell high-ticket products. Use AI tools to create valuable content and promote these products in your videos. Monetize through YouTube ads and high-ticket sales, allowing you to earn more with less effort. The best part? You can automate most of the process, making it one of the easiest ways to make money online. It's like running a high-end store without dealing with customers. Perfect for lazy entrepreneurs. Key to success: stay consistent, upload regularly, and engage with your audience. Before you know it, you'll have a well-oiled money-making machine. 6. Like and post with a like-for-like bots engagement is a key on social media, and likeforlike.org lets you earn credits by engaging with other people's posts, but we are going to automate this. Sign up on likeforlike.org, install a like-for-like bot to like posts for you automatically, use the earned credits to boost your own social media accounts, and sell your grown accounts on FamWeb for hundreds or thousands of dollars. Imagine waking up and finding out that your social media accounts have grown overnight, all thanks to a bot that did the work for you while you were sleeping. It's like having a robot gardener for your digital garden of followers and likes. Here's a thought. Why not create accounts in multiple niches? This way, you can sell different types of accounts to other buyers. increasing your chances of making sales. It's like having a diversified portfolio of digital real estate. Number 7. High payout partner products. Affiliate marketing is a classic, but promoting high payout partner products. Take it to another level. Here's how to make big bucks with minimal effort. Find high payout products on sites like ClickBank or Digistore24 and create content, blogs, videos, etc. to promote them. Use AI tools to generate content quickly, focusing on products that pay at least $250 per sale. With just a few sales each month, you can earn a significant income. Pair this with a blog or YouTube channel and use social media like Instagram and Pinterest to drive traffic and increase sales. Bonus: use passive income apps like SMS Cashback, Honeygain, McMoney, and Vcash. These apps pay you for doing almost nothing, like receiving texts or sharing your internet. Stack these apps on multiple devices to create multiple income streams. Remember, leverage AI tools and automate as much as possible to maximize your earnings. Now, go make that money. Enjoy your newfound freedom and watch our videos here if you found this guide helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out more lazy money making tips on our channel.